Okay, in this hopefully very quick tutorial, we are going to re-implement jumping into our new character controller. So this is the camera relative controller from the last video. If you want to review and make sure that everything looks the same, um, what we're going to do is, like in our third-person controller, we're going to add gravity with a gravity multiplier, a jump strength, and this vertical motion property in order to control the up and down movement of our character. So we need to add those three new properties. So we need public float gravity multiplier, public float jump strength, and we need our float vertical motion. Okay, so let's look at these. I'm going to set my walk speed equal to 5, my jump strength equal to 10, my gravity multiplier equal to 2. Just to have some values set there to begin with. Just some base values. So let's take a look at our third-person controller and see how we did this before. So we get our movement direction from our input values. So we have a move vector. What did we call it? Did we call it move direction? So we have our move direction, but it's a little different, right? It takes our transform forward, multiplies it times our input direction, dot square magnitude. So after we do this stuff, after we set up our input direction and move it forward, spin it around, then we need to set up our vertical motion, okay? So let's steal this. So if controller.isGrounded equals true, vertical motion equals 0. Okay, so we'll say if controller.isGrounded equals, so we'll set our vertical motion to 0. Okay, and then if we get input.get key down key code dot space, so if the player presses the space bar, then we're going to say vertical motion equals jump strength, right? So after that, then we have our vertical motion subtract gravity times the gravity multiplier, and then we set it to our movement direction y. So we're going to say vertical motion subtract minus equals 9.8 f times gravity multiplier, times time dot delta time, so it's 9.8 units per second. And then we want to say our move direction dot y equals vertical motion. So then we take this value. So we have our move direction all set up, and then we just need to figure out the up and down movement. So if it's grounded, if you're on the ground, then we don't need to be moving you at all. So we set it to 0. If you press space, then we want to move you up. So we set your vertical motion equal to jump strength. And then we slowly remove from your vertical motion to replicate gravity. We set the move direction y, the up and down value, to vertical motion. So let's test this out, make sure this is working. We get all our new properties up here. Okay. Yep. And we have jump on our camera relative controller. So I can move this over here. And it still works as you'd expect it. Great.